Welcome back everybody, I'm Tassie with Tassie Eats, and today I'm doing sushi. A lot of you guys did request that I do sushi, so I ended up going to my local Chinese restaurant here. They actually serve sushi during lunch and dinner, even though it's a Chinese restaurant. And so I ended up picking some up, and then I've been craving my white pan-fried noodle dish that they serve there too, so I also got an order of that. Now, oh, there's like chili oil in there, that's why it's all red. And I also got a Dr. Pepper here. And I wanted to do a shout out before we get started. So I want to do a huge shout out to Juliana Frank. So Juliana Frank, you know, she's actually one of my viewers from Australia. So I wanted to say hi to you and thank you, of course, for always watching. And, you know, I was just looking at the weather this morning, literally, and I hear that it's super hot in Australia right now. You guys reached over 100, like 8 degrees. It's really, really hot there. The roads are melting. And me and another YouTuber, we were just talking about this, Table for One. She's up in Canada. And I was looking at her videos over the weekend and she was telling me how it's like negative 30 degrees there. Here today, we have finally reached 30 degrees and it's amazing. It's like all of the people who are from Minnesota were all like, oh my God, this is like summer weather. It's like really warm. We got like thin jackets on, but we were in the negatives for so long and it was so cold. And I know like northeast of the US, they are getting hit really badly with snowstorms and some kind of like snow hurricane. It's just horrible, the thought of putting snow and a hurricane together, but they're getting that out in Boston and everything, and I feel really, really bad for them. And we are gonna dip down pretty low again, but for Juliana Frank, you are very not that lucky. I don't know. I'm gonna get started eating. So I would probably say you're not that lucky only because that's insanely hot, and in Australia, I'm pretty sure the humidity is horrible. Absolutely horrible. So hang in there with a lot of air conditioning. I wish I could send you some of ours outside. Now, like lo mein, I don't like to eat lo mein. Especially at most Chinese restaurants where they serve lo mein, it's like the thick noodles, and I don't like that. I prefer really thin noodles like this whenever I have a noodle dish. Pho would be a little bit different, but I do like my pho noodles to be thinner. There are actually thicker pho noodles out there. Same thing with like cup one. If I'm eating cup one, I want my noodles to be thinner. Like with my noodles, you know how some people, they slurp their noodles? I would if I could. I don't think I have a lung power or something, because whenever I try, it'll be like, it gets like stuck, and then I have to like shovel the food into my mouth is the only way to get it in. Even if I'm eating pho, it's pretty hard for me to slurp it in, and even ramen, because it's just hard. I don't think I'm doing it right. I don't really know. But like my brother and even my boyfriend, they can just like slurp the noodles in, and I'm like, what is your secret? What are you doing? Oh my God, I almost died there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let it be known, Tassie cannot slurp noodles. Oh my God. Oh my God, that just like hit the back of my throat, clogged my airway. I couldn't breathe. That and corn. I can't eat corn for some reason. A lot of times if I'm eating corn, I'll like, a kernel gets stuck in my air path and then like, I start choking and coughing. I can't eat corn. All right, let's try out this sushi. So all of this is cooked, you guys. I don't eat raw stuff. All right, so this is like a deep fried sushi. And the signs weren't super clear on what they were. But there's basically cream cheese, I think avocado, and rice. And then there's some kind of like textured meat in here. It's kind of, oh, it's salmon. It's cooked salmon. Salmon roll. But it's deep fried. Mmm. Mmm. That was really good. I think because of the deep fried fish, it reminds me of sardines, like canned sardines. If you guys have ever had canned sardines, oh, it's so good. That one's good. And then these two are shrimp tempuras. It's just cut into a different form. And this one here is like a California roll. I thought I grabbed regular California rolls too. I don't know. This one's like a California roll, but it's got like some imitation crab on top. And then they put like that flaky tempura batter on there too. So I'm just going to put some wasabi on here. I was just thinking about how I almost died with those noodles. So I'm not going to try that again. All right. That was really good too. The avocado, you can really taste the avocado. I like avocado. Oh, and then I found out one of my girlfriends, she became allergic to avocado. I was very, very devastated with her when we found out. That's just sad. And she loves to eat avocado too. Ooh, that one's really good. You can really taste the avocado. It's good. All right, so this one, I thought it looked really cool how they cut it. I think they had like some eggs on the side here, like the Tobiko eggs. And it's just imitation crab, avocado, and the crunchy stuff. These all kind of look the same, huh? Or they kind of like, they look kind of different, of course, but then like they all have like the same ingredients. That one's awesome. So I actually prefer to eat hand rolls. If you ever go to a sushi restaurant, they have the hand rolls. I actually prefer to eat hand rolls. So this reminds me of just the hand rolls. So good. And I think because I like, honestly, I really like rice, a little bit of the sushi rice with just the seaweed wrapper. If they would just serve me that alone, I would eat it. I am extremely impressed with the sushi chef they have there. It's really, really good. And I was on the fence for a while because after I had Soda Roll, I did a review on Soda Roll. It's like a chain restaurant, kind of like a sushi chain restaurant. And I was extremely disappointed in their food. And they use real crab. They didn't use imitation crab. So I think in my head, I was kind of like that about sushi for a little bit because I was thinking about Soda Roll. All right, so this one has deep fried shrimp. It's got asparagus. It's got imitation crab. It's got avocado, cream cheese. And there is like this orange thing in here. I don't know what it is. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to pop it out. And I'm just going to eat it alone to figure out what that ingredient is. It looks like a fruit though. And I don't think it is the daikon. Oh no, it's really soft. My finger's going right through it. Oh, mango. It's mango. I'm not a person who likes to eat pineapple on my pizza. Okay, that mango just reminded me of pineapple on a pizza. Man. Okay, I'll eat one with the mango and I'll see. But this first one, I'm going to do it without the mango. But I want wasabi on there. But the shrimp in here is really big, so I'm kind of impressed. The flavor is really good. The rice level is really good in ratio to the roll. Look how thin the layer of rice is, you guys. That's how it should be done. Oh man, and this one has 2 pieces of mango. Okay. I freaked out for no reason. You can't taste the mango. And I think because the sauce is sweet too on top, the mango flavor just kind of gets hidden. I love finding eggs in here. Oh, that burns. I haven't had pop in a while. I just didn't have any at home. And I didn't really go out there and buy any either, so I haven't had it in a while. The wasabi is good too. The wasabi, it's pretty fresh tasting. They probably just had mixed the batter. They're not gonna make it fresh every day at this Chinese place. So. Yeah, I really like this roll because you can really taste the avocado. And I love to eat just plain avocado. Some people like salt and black pepper on theirs. I don't like it. If I'm putting salt and black pepper on there, I'm making guacamole. But I know like a lot of people, they like to put salt and black pepper on their avocados, but I like to eat it plain because I enjoy the taste of just avocado plain. My brother hates it. As kids though, we grew up, all of the girls loved to eat avocado. My brother never liked it because it was a really weird, if anybody who's had it, of course, it's like a really fattening kind of a taste. My brother, he couldn't stand it. It was a textural thing for him. But I think it's weird because he loves sushi with cream cheese in there, which is also a really fatting kind of taste. So I don't really know. I think because he thinks it's like it's supposed to be a fruit, but it doesn't taste anything like it. These are like really big pieces of sushi. And they have really little chives in here too. That's really good. This sushi here is better than Sushi Tango. I did a video on Sushi Tango. There was this one roll. I think it's like the scorpion roll. It's like $20, you guys, for that roll. It's nowhere near as good as these. And all of this is my food with the noodles and the pop here. It was $18, you guys. Oh no. Oh God. Sorry, Mango. I don't want to eat you. I don't know what this is. Because that's not the asparagus, because this is the asparagus. Rice and seaweed. I feel like the flavors are just so refreshing. I don't really need like my sriracha and the wasabi. I can't believe how good they make sushi. Honestly, I wouldn't doubt that they make better sushi than I do. Is it their rice or something? Because it's like something, there's just something about it. It's like super good, really refreshing. It's fresh, super fresh. The rice is really good. It has really good flavor to it. All I'm pretty full. I'm just gonna eat like one more of these and then I'm done eating. That top layer I just ate was literally just the sushi rice, the seaweed, and the avocado. That was so good. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching.